My name is Autumn Carolyn, and I'm going to address the elephant in the room. I am aware that I look like Garth from Wayne's World. Now that that has been addressed, let's proceed. I have a book coming out. It's called Traveling in Wonder. This video is going to be all about what it takes to prep for a release of a book coming. I am currently working on my press kit. I'm just gonna try and finish this up. There are multiple ways that you can do press kits, and it could be something as easy as for your social media, or it could be, in my instance, it's for my book. So in there, I include an author interview with questions. I also have quotes and blurbs from people who have read the book. And I also have a little bit of info about me, who I am, and then I have excerpts that are from my book as well. I can also send them to stores that might be interested in carrying my book, and just to anyone that I would like to reach out to. It is T-minus 1 hour, and this is what I have so far for my setup. So basically, when it comes to podcasting, there are two different websites that I mainly use right now. One is called matchmaker.fm and the other one is called Podcast Guest. The podcasters are able to reach out to you and ask for you to be on their show. In the past week or so, I've gotten asked to be on 12 podcasts, which is pretty cool. And then I have 6 that are waiting in my email that I haven't done research for yet. So that's been just like a really cool and interesting experience. There's also a whole bunch of emails. The emails are going back and forth with different podcasters, going back and forth with different bookstores and booksellers, creating lists of different bookstores that are around the area. And then also I've been doing some social media research about different ideas for being a travel photographer. There are 3 different book launches that I'm going to be doing in the next upcoming months. One is on Saturday, February 24th. It's at the Northrop King Building in Minneapolis from 1 to 3 p.m. with the book talk starting at 1 p.m. at the American Swedish Institute on February 25th from 2 to 4 p.m. and the book talk starts at 2 p.m. On March 9th, I have a book talk that is going to be with Barnes & Noble in St. Cloud, and that is from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. And for each one of them, I'm going to be doing a free giveaway. There's going to be some light refreshments. It's just going to be a really fun time. So if you are interested, come on by. I really appreciate all of your support, and I thank you so much for watching this video. I would not be able to be doing any of this if it wasn't for people like you who are supporting me, watching videos, being friends with me on Instagram and TikTok, and I just am really thankful.